Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to automatically create due dates in Google Sheets in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing we need to do is go to the Google Sheet website and open the document that you wanted to create a due dates. Okay, so once the file or document is open, so we're ready to go. So here I have a sample here. Okay, so this under date produced are the products that let's say for example an oil, so it produced on December 1 to 2025, and let's say gas and also water, I guess. So here you can see how many days it should be consumed. Okay, so for oil for 10 days, gas for 15 days, and water for 14 days. So in order to do that, so I have here a formula. So we just have to type equal sign if open. So click the cell from B7, and its function is 1 and should be completed for after 13 days. So a total of 11 days. So it um it shows the result the of 11 days. So it should be consumed on or before December 11. So you just have to drag it down to okay. Okay, so for gas, it should be consumed on December 17 or before. Also the water. Okay, that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in Google Sheets. Thank you.